You want to make money online, but you continue seeing all these courses and you don't know which one to go with. Stay tuned. This is my unpopular opinion. It's so sad, all the mantra across social media about, don't take this course, don't do this, or I took this course, or it didn't work out for me, or let's buy a $497 done for you program. Let me tell you something. This is my unpopular opinion. Buying a $497 course that is a done for you program, the reason that I personally have never invested in something like that is because I can take my skill set that I've actually learned from my $7 course, I can apply it anywhere. I have learned so much, and I've learned how to do it, not to just buy a course and that's copy and paste and have somebody do it for me. I'm not learning how to sell someone else's stuff. I wanted to learn how to build and make my own stuff. There's nothing wrong with you if you've taken another course. I understand there's so much controversial topics out there as far as which one's legitimate, which one's not legitimate, which one you should take, which one you shouldn't. My DMs are always open. Drop me a question, shoot me your questions in my DM. I will answer you back. I will have a conversation with you. Any questions that you have, if you are interested and you have made it all the way through to this video, then maybe it's time that you actually look into a way to change your financial situation. Comment, learn. I'll send you my free e-guide. Don't forget to follow me, and I will send you the exact course that I took to learn these skills. Until next time.